Hey, what's up guys? Paul Radiker here. Have you ever wanted to clean your car and get into all those crevices and just places that are hard to reach, but you don't really have tools to do that with? Well, today we're going to be looking at a few slimes that you can get from the dollar store for just $1 and see if those can get into those little crevices and other areas that might be hard to get to unless you have proper tools to do so. Now each slime is just a bit different. One of them is very liquidy. I mean, it's almost a liquid. That would probably be best for like a cup holder or some place that won't be damaged if liquid gets in there. Like buttons, for example, you probably don't want to use that there because the liquid is going to go through the little crevices and possibly damage the electronics under the buttons. But in a cup holder it should be fine because those are kind of meant to hold liquid. But most of the ones we'll be looking at, they don't really have liquid. There might be a little bit of moisture, but for the most part, they're not going to damage your electronics or any of that stuff. All right, so I'm going to hop in my car and see if these things will work out. I'm a little afraid to work with this because I feel like I'm going to need to wash my hands after. Oh, that is gross. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit of this in the area I want to clean, and we're going to see if this does an okay job or not. Now, a little important thing to note, do not just get this stuff out and just start rubbing it on stuff. Like, don't wipe this stuff on things. You want to smash it on whatever you're, trying to clean, then sort of just roll it. And, so don't like wipe it on anything, just kind of roll it around. And as you can kind of see here, it is picking up a little bit of stuff, even though the seat is pretty clean. It is picking up some stuff. So do not do this and just start wiping around like that. Like, you're just gonna smear the slime all over whatever you're working with if you do that. Yeah, see what I mean? Look at that. Leaving a bunch of residue on my seat. So what you wanna do is smack it down like that, roll it around, and look at that, everything's gone. Don't have to worry about that now. So, does this work to clean up dust from different surfaces in your car? Well, let's find out. Throw it down there, roll it around a little bit. Look at that, like pretty much all the dust that was there that I just rolled it on, it's all gone. And then if I wanted to get in the crevices, I can probably do that too, just kind of smash it down a little bit. The nice thing about this slime is that it can get into some small spaces that you probably wouldn't be able to get your finger into and stuff like that. So like this little crevice here where there's a lot of dust, it's gone. I'm actually really impressed. This stuff works well. All right, so on to the next putty. Wait, yes. Can't forget to do that too. I'm gonna have to include that in the video. I'm not editing that out. That's gonna stay in there. So this is the flarp noise putty. It's a little more solid. It's different. It's a different feeling. Does this work the same as the other one? Use it right here, roll it around a little bit, see if it gets all the dust off. Yeah, that is way better. Now, of course, this wasn't all that dusty to begin with.
You can literally let it sit there, and then in a second, and it's gonna mold.
Oh.
And then when you pick it all up, it'll get all in those little crevices, like all in the little buttons and shit.
Well, that's good to know. You learn something every day, guys. Put it in here. Get it in the little crevices that we can't really get to with our fingers. Maybe let it mold a little bit in there. Boom, look at that. All that dust that was sitting here, it's all gone now. And then we could do the same thing over here too, just kind of put it in here, let it mold okay. Put it in there, let it mold a little bit. Probably enough time to pick it up. Yeah, it's all gone. All right, so this one does work. Orange putty works, or the flarp, as they call it. Do not eat it. It's not edible. It might look edible, but it's not. Next, I'm afraid to use this one, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of, okay, is it open here? I don't know how to open this one. Yeah, I think it is here. That's black. Oh my God, that looks gross. Oh my God. Are you sure this is gonna clean up? Like, I'm afraid to use this in here. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Just pour it in there, dude, it ain't gonna hurt.
Okay, yeah. Here goes. Wow, okay, there it goes. And then I'll probably just, I guess, pull that out later and see what it took out. All right, we got some pink slime. Pretty pink. Have some super gooey fun. They weren't kidding, that is a very pretty pink. Same idea with the other ones. I mean, these all are actually very similar. This one just has a much prettier color to it than the other ones. Just throw it down, roll it around a little bit, see if it can pick some stuff up. And yeah, it is definitely picking some stuff up. Like, there's a lot of dust over here, and it's all gone now. But yeah, like, so yeah, you actually could like get down into these crevices here and just get all the crud out of there. There for a little bit, and then yeah, as you can see, like, you can actually see the crevices in here, like little lines of the places it went into. And yeah, that is really clean now. Like, you got all the crud out of there. Yep, and then you pull it out. There we go. It's all clean. No more dust in that area. Yeah, maybe just try using it here, see if it can get into those little crevices where all the crud is. Okay, yeah, it didn't quite get in there all the way, or at least it didn't stick to the crud, but I think that crud's probably something that I might need something a little more powerful to get it out. I think it helped a little bit, just not as much as I was hoping. I've never really been able to clean this area too well, the gear shifter area here, like the little cloth or leather here. So I wonder if I could just like kind of leave it there, just let it stay, and then pull it out and see like how much of this it gets out without making it stick to it too much. Wow, yeah, it got like everything. There's almost like no dirt or dust left in there now. That's crazy. All right, those actually worked out better than I expected. It cleaned out the dirt from those, crevices and hard to reach areas in my car pretty well. And I'm very satisfied with the results. Let me know if you guys tried this out. I'm curious to see how this worked for you guys. All right, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If not, that button works too. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss future videos. I have been Paul Radiker, and I will see you in the next video.